Hi, so my name's Deb, and I am a certified life coach, psychic medium, and a healer. And last week I told you about my workshop that's coming up, Transition, Transformation, Thriving in the Midst of Change, which we know we can all relate to. So today I just wanted to touch on what's one of the things that's been going on in my life over the last year that I'm pretty sure there's people that can relate to this. So my dad, he's 96 years old. He lives in Alabama. We're in Colorado. And I haven't been able to see him. So it's just been a major, just sadness in my heart. He was in the hospital for part of that time, and he was alone, and he's still a thriving, vibrant energy. And it was just awful to not be able to see him. So I'm pretty sure some of you guys can relate to that. So I'm really looking forward to my trip to Alabama in a few weeks. I've been able to get vaccinated and I'm getting my second dose, but there's still that little bit of like, oh my gosh, is something going to happen? Is this going to happen? Am I, all these, and I know that everyone can relate to that, all this sort of mind chatter that we've had. So I hope that you can come to this workshop because we're going to learn some tools and techniques to quiet all that and to learn to embrace change. And I'm going to leave you with a quote of the only thing that is constant is change.